Okay, this is flight number 3 of the Dynam Waco, flying on 4S 2700 milliamp Zippy Compact on June the 6th at 8:34 in the evening, right at sunset. There is a slight breeze, probably I'd say maybe 4 to 5 mile an hour. Gusting maybe at times to a little puff here now, maybe climbing up the words of 7 to 8. And I found it's just a really steady, docile flyer. I'm flying on the stock motor, but with the what is it? XOAR 13x7 prop. So here we go. I've got LEDs on her. We're cooking. Really sweet flyer. Here we go. Late evening flight. Well, it took off on high rates. Wouldn't you know? Okay, now we should see the LEDs much better here. Oh yes. See if the GoPro can pick all these up. Look at that. Very nice. I can see the red on the bottom of the fuselage. I can see the red on the left tip. Of course, I can see the underside flashing lights. That's a great place to put those. I'm glad I did that. Of course, we can see these dead on here. I haven't really picked up the tail fin yet. I know it's blinking, but you just can't see it yet. So I'll stand out here and see if the GoPro can't pick us up coming in here. I like that. Is that cool or what? Bugs everywhere. Golly. Yeah, man, you can see the LEDs really good right now. You know what? That looks pretty dadgum real. Very nice. She tracks great. Guys, you were right. This plane's a winner. Hammerhead. Beautiful hammerhead. Hammerhead right. Beautiful hammerhead right. Just falls off. Very good. Levels out straight and true. Now what I've done on this kit is I used 2 washers on the motor to give me a little down thrust, and I'm glad I did, because I'm gonna stab the throttle at full blast and it wants to climb a little bit, and I'm pretty sure that if I hadn't have done that with this bigger prop, it would have torqued right and probably would have just gone straight up. So the indices of both the wings appear to be correct. The tail feather is good. The rudder is dead on. It didn't take hardly any trim. Matter of fact, I had to dial in a little bit of up, but that's all right. Tracking just fine. Wind's picking up some. Let me check my timer while I can still see it. 2 minutes left. Perfect. Is that cool or what? Excellent plane. I recommend this to anybody. Now, to me, it's a real docile flyer, and I would say this is a beginner to intermediate. I'm not sure it would be a good trainer, but since it's big, it flies a little easier than some of the smaller planes. I'd say, putting this up against the little micro Beast, this is easier to fly than the Beast was to me, but maybe I've been flying a year. Very cool. Okay, I'm just flying the lights here. I'll get a little closer and check my timer on this downwind one. 31 seconds, so I better land. I'll land and go home and watch the Spurs play Whaley on the Heat, hopefully tonight. I know they're already playing. Okay, come on in, bud. Mr. Waco, you're clear for landing. Mr. Waco, you're clear for taxi. This is runway 1B. Clear for hangar. Roger that, Mr. Waco. Back to the hangar. Excellent. Well, I think I had 5 flights on the AT6, a maiden +1 on the GB, a maiden +2 on the Waco, and I'm a little too slow and too tired to fly the F-22 profile. So I think it's time for me to go home on a good note and look forward to another day. It is 8:42, but I do want to show you the lights here. Okay, it's 8:42, and so I hope the GoPro is picking this up. But there's your profile, there's your green, your red, and here's those underlining. So hopefully the video picked that up. And what I've done is put 3 coats of the high gloss Minwax Polycrylic, the water base, and that's the ticket. It makes it really shiny, really smooth. It adds a little bit of rubbery finish to it. I'm not sure how much heavier it makes, but it didn't seem to affect at all. And again, I'm flying with the XOAR 13x7 on 4S 2700 milliamp hour Zippy Compact lipo, shoved all the way to the front It seems to fly really well. See how hot the battery is. The battery's lukewarm and the motor's a little warm. So I probably am overpropped a hair, and I didn't bring my temperature gun with me, so I can't tell you how hot the motor is, but it didn't slow down, and it's noticeably warm. A little uncomfortable to hold my finger on it hard and long, but very good. So anyway, this is Twisted Grin signing off. Great day at the field. What have I got here? Okay.